Hello, in today's video I'm going to be showing you our brand new feature, Profitl Deal Scores. So this cutting edge functionality, it provides a comprehensive analysis of all your deals and it gives them a score out of 100, and we use an advanced algorithm which scrutinizes a vast range of data points. Now this feature is just there just to ensure you can make more informed purchasing decisions, and it just gives you that added bit of confidence. But please do note that this score is always intended as a guide, and it is important for you to conduct your own independent checks before making any purchase. So let's get into it and show you how it works. And I'm just going to run you through a couple of deals so you can see exactly how it actually works. So first up, we've got this one from The Entertainer. We can buy it for £11, sells on Amazon for £26.95. So here we have all the data just here. We'll just put in the purchase price of £11. And you've got all the normal Profitl stuff, but then we'll come down to Profitl Rankings. So we can see this deal is a good buy. It has a score of 60 out of 100. And this looks at a vast number of data points over a long period of time, including the sales, including the number of sellers on the listing, including whether Amazon sell it, including the average price over the last year. So you can see if it's a high price now, a low price, any potential warnings on the product, and of course the profitability. As you change the purchase price, of course the ranking is going to change as well, and if it's a loss then you're going to get a void because you don't want to be selling it for a loss. So let's look at another one here. So this one is from Tesco and it's Paw Patrol product, which we can buy for £7.50. It sells on Amazon for £17.51. So let's check it out on Profitl. This one gets a score of 71 out of 100. That is a good buy. So ideally you want a good buy or a great buy. Some people will go for average buys as well, and we'll just show you just one more quickly just so you can get a full understanding of how it works. So this one, we can buy this for £2.99. Let's check what it is saying on our Profitl Deal Scores. And this one is 71 out of 100. If we were buying it for a bit more, then obviously it wouldn't be as good, and so on and just like that. And you can use this just to give you that added bit of confidence when purchasing your FBA deals. Just in case you do miss something, we are looking out for you in the background. So we hope you enjoy the new feature. If there's any other features you'd like us to add, just reach out to support and we can look to get them added.